Munawar Zarif, 25th December 1940 – 29th April 1976, was a legendary Pakistani film actor and comedian, widely celebrated for his impeccable comic timing and exceptional acting skills. Known as the King of Humor, he dominated the Pakistani film industry during his career and remains an iconic figure in South Asian cinema. Early life. Munawar Zarif was born in Gujranwala, Punjab, British India, now Pakistan. Coming from a modest background, he developed an early interest in comedy and acting, which later became his life's passion. Career. Munawar Zarif made his debut in the Punjabi film Dandiyan in 1961, but it was his performance in Hath Jodi, 1964, that brought him recognition. Over his career, he appeared in more than 300 films in Punjabi and Urdu, earning widespread acclaim for his ability to deliver humor that appealed to audiences across cultural and linguistic lines. Some of his most notable films include Hath Jodi, 1964, Banarsi Thag, 1973, Naukar Wahtida, 1974, Jeera Blade, 1975, Sharif Badmash, 1975. Munawar Zarif was known for his improvisational skills, often adding spontaneous humor to his roles that became iconic dialogues. Legacy. Munawar Zarif's comedy was a blend of wit, satire, and relatable humor. He earned the prestigious Nigar Award for his outstanding contributions to Pakistani cinema. His ability to connect with audiences made him one of the most beloved comedians in the history of Pakistani entertainment. Personal life. Despite his fame, Munawar Zarif remained grounded. He was known for his humility and generosity. Unfortunately, his life was cut short at the age of 35 due to a sudden heart attack, leaving a void in the industry that has never been filled. Death. Munawar Zarif passed away on 29 April 1976, but his legacy endures. He continues to inspire generations of actors and comedians with his timeless performances. Impact on Pakistani cinema. Munawar Zarif is remembered as a pioneer in comedy and an artist who raised the standard of humor in Pakistani films. His influence can still be seen in modern comedy and the performances of contemporary actors who look up to him as a mentor and idol.